Yo, this is shocking murder innovator, you know. I don't like how them treat the poor people, them, you know. We see it on the television, them say them are forward and all how them can't reach. How them there? Say them a come, like them a tell. Pure deception span them TV channel. Uproar, man a rebel. I say we a make louder than a Haskell. Sicky worse than a sickle cell. Integral, ring it like a bell. As a people we have to rise and propel. So them a treat the poor then go down in a hell. Them no love us, only love to hate us. Them no love us, only hate to love us. Them no love us, only love to hate us. Them no love us, only hate to love us. Me not defend the rich and greedy. Me a defend the poor and needy. Because the rich already have a lot, but the poor they have not, yeah. Inhumane, Lord of mercy. Indigent amongst the people them fi stop it. Poverty make the people them not happy. If you think I like one, go check the demography. Wickedness, them a propagate. Righteousness, them no proliferate. Suffering amongst the people must be mitigated. That's the only way from poverty them a go escape. Them no love us, only love to hate us. Them no love us, only hate to love us. Them no love us, only love to hate us. Them no love us, only hate to love us. I cry for the people, and I will die for the people. From nothing to something, I know about suffering, yeah. So-called government, and you, Mr. So-called president, they want us to be obedient. And when we are obedient, them still treat us with a deep resentment. Unfulfilled promises, they are so negligent. The little they do, they are so transient.